Okay, hi, my beautiful, beautiful people. How are we doing today? Happy and so excited to be here. It is yet another beautiful day, another amazing, amazing day for our live stream. Come through, join me, join in. Let us dive straight into it and let us see how things are going to play out. Okay, so come through, talk to me. Let's chat here and there. Let us see how each and every single thing is going to play out today. Hope you are well. Hope everyone is doing great and amazing. Over here, I am so blessed. I'm so blessed and happy to definitely be here. Thank you for coming through. Always so excited when the live is here. It is an amazing time for me, and I believe for each and every one of you that side. Okay, so I'm seeing Usman. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. And that is the very, very first person who was sending a message. Happy to have you around. Anik, hi Anik, how are you doing? To our beautiful people that maybe weren't here yesterday, happy new year. Thank you for coming through. This whole week we are going to be welcoming ourselves into the new year, and definitely I believe we have a lot of plans, a lot of goals that we have to achieve. Personally, I have so many. And like I told you, no one should ever make you feel like you cannot get to what you want or achieve what you have to achieve. Okay? So do not give people that power over your life. Okay? So let us fight tooth and nail so that we achieve what we have to achieve. Thank you for coming through. Today, gold OTC, that is the pair that we have today over here. 400 USD, that is the amount. 15 seconds time expiry. And like we all know, I always keep talking about risk management. And as you've seen, the amount that I always risk is 400 USD, 300 USD, around there. Okay, because at the same time, I want you, my beautiful people, I want you, my beautiful people, to analyze and be like, okay, right. Lena could be having this, but this is what she puts at stake. This is what she puts in, such that we all learn a lot about risk management, and we know very well that we should not put in all that we have and risk it all. Let's risk a little until we get there. Okay. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm saying Salmik. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. And Ruth over there. Hi Ruth, how are you doing? Thank you for joining through. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. I do not know, but I think my network is a bit playing tricks on me. I do not know. I do not know. But let us keep it going slowly by slowly. We shall do better. Okay, that was Ruth. Then a Sangol. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing all right. Sorry about that. Hope you are doing all right over there. That is Diogenes. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing very okay. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining Lena all the time. And definitely, you should not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Right? So let us get to it. Let us keep it coming. I want to hear from each and every one of you. And for the new ones, thank you for coming through. Thank you for tuning in. You are in the right place. You are most welcome. I welcome the questions, the concerns. Let's chat. Let us get to know a thing or two about trading. And definitely, like I keep saying, we shall have those videos soon. And I said I will come here and inform you and let you know about the videos. Okay. Hi, Alex. How are you doing? Hope you are great. I'm here. My network is a bit disturbing me, but otherwise, I should be alright. I should be alright. Okay. Alex says he is um, very well. That is amazing to hear from you. Majid over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. And definitely to everyone, thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in today. Let us believe for the very best. Okay, I'm saying freedom over there. You are saying hello to us. Thank you. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. And I'm saying Majolaine, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm saying Mandy. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Okay. There comes Irati. How are you doing? Okay, pardon me on that, but I'm trying to correct something small here. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I'm done. Right. Okay, I'm seeing Lloyda over there. Hi, hi, my dear. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Over here, I am great. I'm amazing. Okay, so thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining us. I'm seeing Joseph over there. Hi, Joseph. How are you doing? Yes, we are doing great unless there is someone who is not feeling okay on my end. It is some small network issue over here. I do not know, but I'm trying to work it out. Okay. Right, that is Lindre over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great and amazing. Bato, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Pinto, how are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you for coming through and thank you for joining. And let us drive it all the way through to the end. Gold OTC, like I said earlier, that is what we are trading today. 400 USD, our set amount, 15 seconds, the time expiry. Okay, and still definitely using the alligator indicator. That is my main indicator that I'm using. So for those three lines that you keep seeing there, then the MACD, it is backed up by the MACD indicator, as you can see. Missionary comes in. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you too, and thank you for wishing us a beautiful, beautiful year, and same to you as well. Okay. Elisa, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are well and very, very okay. I don't know what is happening. Okay, here we are, and right now we are moving in a downtrend, as we can see that. And definitely the alligator indicator, like I was saying, it helps us in identifying and confirming the direction of the market. Okay, then also the strength of the trend. Okay, so and using a trend continuation and a trend reversal, that is what I am having today with our gold OTC. Carolina, hi, how are you doing? Let me hope you are doing great. Let me hope you are doing great. Today is an amazing day, but I do not know why my network is stressing me out. It is supposed to be a beautiful day, an amazing day where we come, we chat, because definitely right about now I am saying you vibing in, coming through, chatting here and there. So it is supposed to be an amazing day, a beautiful day for each and every one of us, you know. Philippa, hi Philippa, how are you doing? Thank you for that. That is what I came with. Beautiful vibes, you know. I always want us to share the very, very best together. Okay, so please keep coming keep coming through. I'm telling you, I do not know. I do not know what exactly is happening, but it's supposed to get better. It's supposed to get better. Okay, over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining us. Okay, we are so grateful for the network. I really do not know, but it should get better. It should get better, such that we enjoy our 2 hours of streaming non-stop, non-stop. To my beautiful viewers, so sorry about that. So sorry about that. I feel so bad. It's supposed to be okay, you know. That's true. That's true. That is from Iraq. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do not know. I don't know about my network today. I do not know. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Anyways, today I do not know what is happening with my network, but let's just manage with it. Okay, so I've tried to do my best, but it looks like it is still not good at all. Not good at all. Right, Angelina over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Positive, positive energy. And like you can see, we all come here with beautiful vibes, beautiful energy, and then the network wants to put us down. What is this? What is this? But at the end of the day, let us keep the vibes high. Let us come through. Please, I am waiting on you. Come through. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Like these beautiful people in the chat section. Send in a message. Talk to me. Let me hear from you. We have definitely started the new year. So come through. Let me hear from you. What are your plans? We should all have beautiful and amazing plans for whenever the year begins. The funny thing is, we always have plans and we sit down, you plan here and there. But this is a new year. We do not know. We do not know what is ahead of us. And I will say, the beautiful hope that we have, the positivity that we have, should always lead us to where we are going. Because, truth be told, no one has ever been in 2026. That's it. But we are all here so happy, so excited because we believe we have a positive mindset that the year is going to be amazing and exciting. So let us keep it that way. Let us keep it that way, and we see how everything works out. Right, I am seeing Gerald. Hi, Gerald. How are you doing? How are you doing? I am saying that. That is very true. That is very, very true. And we should stick to that. Steady and alert, you know? Steady and alert. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Adeline over here. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Hope you are doing great. Okay. A new year, same rule. Wait for confirmation, then execute. That is amazing. That is beautiful. Thank you for sharing over there. All right, that is Leandre. Cheers to discipline, risk control, and calm decisions this year. This is so amazing. I love the way we have these at our fingertips, and trust me, let us use them. Let us use them in our day-to-day trading. The fact that we are dealing with an open market, we are on an open market. Let us have these. Let us make sure that we are consistent. Let us make sure that definitely, we do it the right way. We do it the way we are supposed to do it. We should not give up, and no one should tell us otherwise. You know, there are a few things that people tell us things, and probably if our hearts are weak, you will lose it. There are people who come and they want to put us down. Okay, they want to put us down. But us as traders, we should not allow that. Let us keep it positive and let us know who we are. Let us know who we are. We are great people. We are positive people. We are calm people, disciplined people, all the beautiful things there is that trading requires, right? So let us keep it like that. And this year is going to be really an amazing year. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Loida over there. Thank you. Yes, it is. That is Irati. That is a pocket option. So for each and every one of you, the amazing people that sent in your donations, today I will not be able to have the donations of my network, because of my network. So I will push them to tomorrow. All right. I will push them to tomorrow. So sorry about that. But tomorrow, definitely, we shall have them. And I believe that tomorrow the network will be much better. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay, what is Majid responding to? Let me see. Thank you. I'm so grateful. All the people today around are very positive. People are so calm. People are so full of positivity. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. And definitely all the very best to you all who come in, day out. Okay, thank you very much. I am seeing, oh my goodness, Majid is a pro at trading. Look at that. I love the way you respond at times to people asking through. Maybe I'm doing my trades here and there are questions running in the chat section. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. That is a plus for us over there. So I'm telling you, patience, not a pressure. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let us keep it that way. The fact that we have started the year like that, let us drive it till the end. Okay, but like I told you sometime, at times for us, okay, for myself, someone could be like, no, you might not make it or something in trading because I'm female. But you know, we have to do it whether we are female or male, we have to do it. We have to do it. And together, you learn from me, I learn from you. We put our knowledge together. We pull this all the way to the top. Okay? So come through. Let me hear from you. I am telling you, I'm telling you. Okay, that is Dory Bell. Hi, how you doing? Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. Trust me, this whole time, I think until we are in the next week of the new year, we are going to be wishing ourselves Happy New Year, the best year ever, and all those beautiful giving ourselves beautiful and positive news and information and the vibes, of course. So let us keep it positive. Let us have it in the right direction, trading direction. We are looking at growth. We are looking at uh, um, making it big. We are looking at getting to our journey. Let us get to the journey and we run up to the top. Okay, that is true. That is true. Okay, so thank you, my amazing people. Thank you for always coming through. I really do appreciate you. Like today, the network is not so good. It's not so good. But thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking with your girl, Lena. Thank you very much. Thank you. That is Holland over there. Thank you. And definitely to your ends over there. Whatever we put our hands to, may it be successful. May it be successful. This year we have to wish ourselves all the very best. I am looking at a day like this, and we are in the last month of 2026. So what shall we have done? What are we looking up to? It is a lot. It is really a lot. So let us keep the positivity, let us keep vibing, let us keep learning and building till we get up there. Okay, so let's go. Okay, okay, that is yen. Yen over there, thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining us. It is such an amazing time when I have beautiful people coming through and joining us. So this strategy, we are basically using trend. The strategy is trend continuation, trend reversals, and we basically look for a pullback. We have a pullback, we have a candle, a close. This give us the confirmation that you know what, right about here, let us place our trades. Okay, so unlike I said earlier, binary uh binary options trading, if you realize or if you sit down and you study about it, you learn about it, it is very easy to learn. It's very easy to learn. it will not give you people a very hard time. It will not, because at the end of the day what we are looking for is sell buy. Definitely that's what happens everywhere, but here we are looking at a win, a loss. So there are a few things definitely with the best indicators that we have to know and keep analyzing, keep understanding. So binary options is not difficult. And like I said, we shall have a video where all this is explained. And of course the platform pocket option. Okay, so that is what we are having today. That is what we always have most of the times. At times it actually most of the times it is the pair that keeps changing. Okay, okay, all right. That's very true. That's very true from Adeline over there. Thank you very, very much. Team, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Henok, okay. Look at that. Henok is from Ethiopia. Thank you for coming through and thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. So I cannot say that we have classes or something, but what we shall have is a video explaining my strategy, how everything works out, the setups and all that, such that at least when you come and look at this chart over here, you understand exactly what is happening. You know that, okay, right about now, after this pullback, it is time for me to place a trade. After this candle close, I have to place a trade. Okay, so we shall have that and we shall proceed with that. Right. Okay, Marjolaine there. Thank you very, very much. And it definitely comes back to you 100%. I also wish you success in each and everything we have to do in our trading journey, and definitely in our day-to-day life, in our personal lives. We have to have that positivity, and the success will come to us. Okay. Okay. Thank you, my beautiful people, for analyzing the market with me. Thank you very, very much. Right. Okay, I have placed in a buy position over here, and we are definitely in an uptrend. Let us see. Okay. Amazing. That is amazing and beautiful. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. That is true. Profits all the way. Okay. Right, I have placed in another one over here. Let us have a plus. We need a plus over here. Let us see. That was a beautiful one. A beautiful one. Okay. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay, that is amazing. All we have to keep doing is do a proper and beautiful, steady market analysis. Do that and definitely know that okay, right about now it is time for me to place in a trade. Okay. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so like I said earlier, because many of you know around this time we are into the donations or we are getting ready to start off with the donations. So since my network is not good, I have postponed the donations to tomorrow. So we shall have our donations tomorrow. Definitely with the other people that will have sent in for tomorrow, I will put them together and do it tomorrow. I believe and I want to believe that tomorrow the network will be perfect and very, very okay. So for those that sent in for today, I'm really so sorry that I am unable. I'm unable to trade them today, but tomorrow it will all be well. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, that is a sell position over there. We are in a down. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Definitely there was a strong trend direction and also a strong um, the the strength of the trend was amazing. Like you could clearly see that we are fully in a down trend. It's not like are we sure should we wait or something. It was very, very clear by the time I placed in my sell trade over there. Okay, thank you very, very much. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for the compliments. Thank you very, very much. Those are the things that actually keep me moving, seeing new people come through each and every single day. We trade together, we analyze the market together, we learn a thing or two together. It is amazing and it is a beautiful one. Trust me. Even if wherever I've been, maybe the day has not been okay for me, whenever I come here to trade, you are that beautiful family. You give me the positivity, the energy, the vibes. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate you and I wish you all the very, very best. For those who are learning how to trade, or for the beginners, trust me, day by day we shall get there together. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay, Loida is asking, so how much is the minimum donation amount? The minimum is 350 USD. That is the minimum. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And like I've said, no donations today, but tomorrow we shall definitely have. So you can send in, and tomorrow it will be traded. Thank you very much. Dennis over there, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Today is an amazing day. Today is an amazing day, okay? And I welcome each and every one of you, our new viewers, the people who are tuning in for the very, very first time. You are most welcome. You are in the very right place to be, okay? To learn a few things here and there about trading, okay? Okay, so for the MACD, sorry that you cannot see it clearly because of my camera that is actually on and off. So for the MACD, I have my settings over there. That is 12, 26, and 9. Okay, so that is my setting. That is my setup for the MACD indicator. The platform is Pocket Option. That is the platform I am using. Thank you. Thank you. It looks like today I have very many people who are coming for the very, very first time. You guys, I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let's have it. Let's have it such that each and every single day you are here, we are live together. And like I said, with the open market, we trade each and every single day, be it a weekend, a public holiday, weekday. We are unlimited. We go all the way. So, me for the streams, I do each and every single day. And the only day probably maybe you might not see me around is only if I'm unwell. Okay, that's the only reason basically. So always I am here with you. Thank you, Adeline. Thank you, Dogan. Okay. To receive the earnings, is the question like when maybe we've had a donation and we have traded for you and you've gotten your profits. So when you get the profits, I send it to your wallet, to your crypto wallet. Okay. Oh, okay. So probably maybe I have not understood the question clearly. Well, I don't know, probably maybe I've not understood the question clearly well. I thought for the donations that for as long as you have made profits, I deposit that or I withdraw to your wallet. And in a short period of time, you have received your profits wherever you are or on your wallet. Okay. Okay. Dory, and I did again. The name is Grace. So right. I will have you tomorrow. No worries. Okay. We shall do the donations tomorrow. No worries. No worries. Right, no worries. And today, the only reason as to why. Oh, but I forgot the wallet address. Okay, if you forgot, please, you can actually send it the way. Okay, you can actually what can we do? You can share it with me. You can share it with me on my Telegram. Okay, you can share it with me in my Telegram, such that at least all is collected today, and tomorrow we are good to go for the trades. Okay, so Dory, I'm trying to figure it out here. Okay, Mandy over there, thank you very, very much. That is Enoch over there. I am going to create the video soon enough. So, is no way on Telegram to send you a message. No. Okay, you see on my when you go in that in the in my bio, there are different links over there. There are different links over there. So the one for Telegram, you should be able to send me a message. You should be able to send me a message. You should be able to send in a message. I didn't know because actually to very many people I have been chatting with them on Telegram. So I think you should be able to send in. Okay, so I am seeing a forex over here. Can I make a withdrawal in Litecoin? Me personally, the ones that I use over here, I do use mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Those are the ones that I always use. Thank you. And today, oh my goodness, meaning, okay, that is Holland. I want to make a donation as well, Lena. All right, so what you're going to do, you will um, take me through the process. I don't want to miss out. Okay, so you will check in my YouTube bio. There are links over there. So you click on the very first one that has stream donations. So when you click on it, definitely I will first bring you the terms and conditions because I want us to all be on the same page to for us to understand exactly what is happening, and definitely risk management like we have been talking about. We have to have a risk management. That is, I want each and every one of you to know about risk management. That is why you are like, okay, this is the amount that I have on my account. So if you know the amount that you have on your account, the reason that's why I keep talking about risk management, because I do not want you to send me your last savings, because like we all know, the market is unpredictable. But if you send me your last savings and you make a loss, you will be frustrated, you'll feel so bad. So risk management helps us to actually manage, to understand that, okay, if I send in this 350 USD, this is what I'll still have on my account. If I make a loss, I am not going to strangle myself, I'm not going to die or something like that. Okay, so you send in not your last savings, because at times things do not go the way we expect them to go. Okay, so after having all that in mind, and then, okay, you have decided that fine, I'm going to send in my donation. So the first thing there, it is your name, the username. Let me give an example: Holland. And then the next part there is the donation, or the amount that you are sending in, say 350, 600, 700, 400, whichever you have decided, depending on your account and the risk management. Then after that, you send me a message. Be like, hey Lina, trade for me my amount 3 times, 4 times, 1 time, 2 times, or I have sent in 600 USD. I want profits of, say, maybe 10K, 12, something like that. Like, I'm just giving you an example. Then after that, the other very, very important thing that I don't want you to miss out is your crypto wallet, because after us making the profits, that is where I send that is where I send your profits to. Okay. I'm telling you, risk management is Poland, you said you are a risk taker, but at the end of the day, I put those terms and conditions there for you, such that at the end of the day, if things do not play out well, you do not feel bad. You know, you do not feel bad about it all. At the end, I do not want my beautiful people to feel bad that, okay, I've made this loss, things are difficult, things are hard, things are, no, 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 no. That's why I want you to send in something that you are willing to lose. Okay. So that is it about that. I trade for you. It is a transparent way of trading. Definitely, I have a list of names, say Holland, Angelina, very many different people. So I always, when the donations time reaches, I have you also have a list of the people that I'm trading for in that particular time on your chat over there. So you can see and be like, okay, Holland is next. Okay. So I trade for you. You see how much we have made, their profits. Then I send that to your wallet. Okay. And maybe people will ask, what is your take? How come you have not talked about your commission or something like that? My take is me building uh, a beautiful and a big audience. That is my take, that is my commission, that is my everything. Me growing in my trading, my streams, people. That's why I keep requesting you to like and subscribe as well. We grow, I grow like that is the most beautiful thing that I am looking for. So when I trade for you, you make the profits, you continue trusting me, new people keep joining through. That simply means the audience is growing. I'm having a big, big audience. Okay. So that is my take. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. I will be waiting for the donation. Okay, I am seeing I'm saying Adeline over there, is the risk acceptable? Okay, is the risk acceptable even if this trade losses, I've not gotten that quite well, Adeline. I've not gotten that quite well. Gerald is asking me, have you ever traded a probability or agency? No, 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 have not. Have not. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, Dogan over there, do your thing, Okay, I'm saying King Emmanuel, you definitely good at this. I bet you got no other work. Actually, I love trading. Okay, because it is the thing that gives me that financial freedom. But now the other things that I do are, of course, different businesses here and there. Okay, so I have different businesses that I've put up, things that I am running, my personal things. And to be true to you, I could not manage employment. I could not manage employment. I could not manage working for someone where we have a supervisor, a manager. This one shouts at you, the other. I'm telling you, I tried it for the very few years after school, but it was horrible. It was horrible, and I'm so grateful to the people that I met that introduced me to trading. Okay, so definitely we have to have other things that we invest our money in, things that we do. Okay, definitely for the future. So I have other things that I do, but still my personal things. So that is it. If I am not a trading, definitely I am attending to some other business. Okay. Thank you, King Emmanuel. Thank you very much. And like I keep saying, we shall learn together, we shall grow together, and we have to reach to where we are going together. Okay, so no worries, no worries. Okay. Okay, wildlife over there. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining us. Wildlife is asking, what is your strategy? I use trend continuation, trend reversal. Definitely there. I am looking at for the uptrend, the higher highs, the higher lows, for the downtrend, the lower lows, the lower highs. I am targeting and looking at pullbacks that gives me the confirmation to place a trade. Okay, so that is what I am using. Thank you. Okay, that is. Thank you, Kenny John. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Hi, Brian Obama over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Uh, Danny over there, how are you doing? Let me hope you are amazing. Okay, blessing. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for sticking around. Definitely be blessed. Each and every one of you be blessed. It is a new year, new strategies, new plans, everything new. Okay. So let us have it, and let us make sure that we achieve all we have to achieve. All right, back to my beautiful people over here. Okay, Dogan is doing the trading. I'm seeing the directions. Thank you very much. Danny, thank you, thank you, thank you. And that is what we listed in the very beginning. If you remember, different people kept on coming and of course giving us the vibe, telling us what we have to keep doing in 2026 to see that we maintain the profits, we keep getting the profits, the consistency, the discipline, the patience, risk management, emotional control. It is a lot that we have to keep doing, such that we always keep having the profits, we keep having the profits. And however much we have a set and everything is so beautiful, I cannot say that we cannot have losses. The losses will be there, but we have to make sure that when we follow this, you have your plan, you follow, you have a strategy. We have to make sure that it is giving us mostly the highest percentage we are getting profits, okay? Then a few losses here and there. So my prayer is that we learn and master the best way to go about it, okay? That's true, Danny. You take the losses as a lesson, because to me, to me, the losses that I kept on making when I was learning how to trade, those losses were so painful. They were so hurtful. Oof, I made a loss right over here. But we stay positive. Let us stay positive. I'm keeping positive. So those losses were so hurtful, and the thing is, then I did not even know anything about risk management. All I was looking at is, okay, I've learned how to trade. So since I've learned how to trade, let me put in a big amount of what I have. And trust me, I made losses. I made losses. But the more I kept on making those losses, was the more I kept on learning. And I'm like, okay, if I do this, and I'm getting losses, meaning I have to do things differently. I have to make sure that I do this in this particular way. Then, when you see that it is working for you, the consistency comes in, the discipline, the patience, because like we all know, the market, we cannot control the market. We can't. We cannot control the market. And that's why those guidances are there. Okay. Thank you, Danny over there. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you. You are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. And stick around. We got each other. Okay. So when we have all that, it helps us a lot. Okay. To make sure that at least we minimize. Risk management helps us minimize the losses we are managing. Okay, so let us have it. Let us have it. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is from Blessing. Too much love to you. Thank you, thank you. That is true. That is from Gerald over there. Thank you, thank you. That's true. That's true. Definitely, we are still in that holiday moods. The holiday vibes are still with us, right? So it is getting done, and we get back into our daily hustles. Okay, so may God bless our hustles. Definitely. May our hustles be blessed. Okay. Okay. Okay, let us have these to us. I have placed in buy positions over here, so let's have it. Amazing, look at that, look at that. Okay, we are in a trend continuation, if you can see that very well. Trend continuation. So are we continuing or we are breaking below? So let us have it. Let's see. Definitely the best way to know that okay, right now we are breaking below is when that green line that you are saying there crosses the orange line and the blue line. That simply means we are changing a trend. Okay, we are changing trend. Okay, so that is for razor. It is a trend continuation, a trend reversal. That's true. That's true. That is from Lloyd there. I'm telling you, we have to be humble. We have to be patient. We have to be disciplined. We have to be calm because it did not enjoy the way we enjoyed. So we cannot come rushing on it. Otherwise, it will give us the fire that we have not called for. So thank you for that. We come in peace, dear market. We are humbled. Okay. That is amazing. That is interesting. That's true. That is from Iraq. Thank you very much. Thank you. Today has been an amazing day. I've gotten a lot of new, beautiful people come through, joining us. Thank you very much. I will keep reminding you to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us have it. Let us keep it growing. Let us keep it vibing. Let us keep it positive. And like I keep saying, when we are positive, then the profits are flood in, right? Let's keep it positive and let us keep knowing that we are the very best there is for this. Okay, so we got it. Do not you worry yourself. Okay, so let us keep it going, and we have moved to this far, and my beautiful people are still around. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. Thank you very much. Too much love from your girl Lena over here. Thank you. So please let us appreciate the market, let us embrace it, and let us do the very best that we have to do. The discipline, the patience, the risk management, all that, let us have it, and we shall be able to succeed. We shall be able to get what we want to get from the market, right? Okay. Okay, Leandra over there. Let's enjoy the process one step at a time. That is beautiful. That is amazing. Okay, That is amazing. Okay. So for those that weren't present for the because I've seen very many of you today are new. So normally the reasons why I've not had donations today, for the donations, that is when someone sends me their donations for me to trade for them. Okay, so today it has not happened because of my bad network, but tomorrow we shall definitely have it. So you send that in, and the reasons why you keep hearing me talk much about risk management is because at the end of the day we do not manage the market. Okay. So, like I was saying, we do not manage the market. So, meaning we have to send in something that we are okay to lose in case things do not go the way we expected them to go. And the minimum amounts that I receive for the donations, that is 350 USD. Okay. So sending in, you go to my that is my YouTube. In my YouTube bio, there are different links down there. The very first one is the one for the stream donations. Click on it, go through the terms and conditions, know what is expected, what does Lena expect, what should I, as the person sending in the donation, what should I expect? Okay, what am I supposed to do? You know, so go through that. Then after there, when you decide that, okay, let me go for it, you send in your donation. I always require your name. Let me say Angelina, Adeline. You send in your name. You send in after that the amount. Let me say 350 or 400 or 500, depending on your account. Okay, how heavy your account is. So you send in, then the next message, the next thing is the message. You send in and you are like, okay, Lena, I want you to trade for me 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. That I always call them the attempts. But you can just tell me 2 times, 3 times, or 4 attempts like that. Then after that, I will need, and this is a must, send your crypto wallet. The ones that I always use, that is a Bitcoin, the Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, and the Tether wallet. Okay, so you send in that, I come here, we trade, you are also online. watching exactly what Lena is doing. We get a profits, we win, and I send that to your wallet that you shared with me. Okay. And for those that will be like, what is your take? I personally, building a big audience over here is my take. Seeing very many people come through, joining in, chatting in. That's why I keep requesting you to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Building a big audience is my take. So thank you very, very much. Today has been an amazing one. I know the network has disturbed us, but thank you for sticking around. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the vibe, for the support. I really do appreciate and I do not take it for granted. So, we are coming to the close of our stream for today. Tomorrow is another day, another beautiful day. Let us keep positive and let us wait for it. Okay. So, thank you very much. I would love to wish you a blessed evening, a morning, depending on your time zone, wherever you are. Thank you always for joining in. Thank you for always sticking around, sticking with me, the love, the vibes. I always do appreciate. So I will wish you all the very best. Sometimes I run, sometimes I run. Okay, so bye bye for today. It was amazing. Too much love to you, my beautiful people. Much love. Thank you very much. Catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.